Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to create a bottle chart in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen here, I have already created a bottle chart. If I change the quantity, let me make this 12 liter, the chart will auto update. Let me go to this sheet number 2 where I have only the data. Based on this data, I am going to create the bottle chart. For this, select your data, click on Insert tab, click on Recommended Chart, click on this clustered column chart, then click on OK. This will create a basic chart visual. To add the bottle picture in these bars, click outside the chart area, click on Insert tab, then Illustrations Icons. In the search bar, search for bottle. Click on bottle type, then click on Insert. This will add this bottle image. Copy this and make 3 copies by pressing Ctrl V twice. Now for the orange juice, let's make this orange color. So go to this fill option and select the orange color from here. For strawberry, let's take the red color, and for lemon, let's take the green color. Now to add these bottles in the bar, click on the image, then press Ctrl X to cut this. Click on the orange juice bar. This will select all 3. So you have to click again to select this only. Then press Ctrl V. And the bottle is added here. Similarly for strawberry, click on this bottle, Ctrl X to cut. Select the strawberry bar. Click again. Then press Ctrl V. Similarly, cut this lemon juice bottle. Click on the bar, then press Ctrl V. Now select all 3 bars. For that, click outside the chart and then again click on the bar. That will select all 3. Then right click, go to Format Data Series option, and here in the gap width, make this 0%. Now if you change the value here, the bar will automatically update. Now you can do more customization in the chart by right clicking. Click on Format Chart area, click on the gradient fill. You can delete these lines by clicking on the line, then delete. If you want to change the font size of X and Y axis values, then click on this, go to this increase font option, then increase it, change the color. For Y axis also increase the font size, then change the color. In the chart title, you can put a different title if you wish. To display the quantity sold just above the bottle, you can right click on the bottle, click on add data labels. This will add the quantities above the bottle. Click on this and increase the font size. So this is how you can create the bottle chart in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.